Hello, my name is Avery Fulford, and today I'll be discussing my senior thesis entitled A Comparative Genomic Analysis of the 250 Million-Year-Old Halophilic Archaeon, Halosymplex carlsbadense. So, in the year 2000, 4 organisms were extracted from 250 million-year-old salt crystals in New Mexico by Vreeland et al. One of these samples has been named as a novel species, named Halosymplex carlsbadense, which is a halophilic archaeon, or a microbe adapted to extreme salinity. We aligned and compared the genome of this organism to its 17 most closely related halophiles to identify the adaptations involved in its long-term survival. We found that DNA repair, membrane transport, and oxidative stress response mechanisms are required for long-term salt entrapment. DNA repair combats the rearrangement of pyrimidine bonds by hypersalinity, membrane transport proteins protect against hypertonic conditions, and oxidative stress response mechanisms prevent protein and membrane damage. Thank you!